In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initiatives in Jira using Atlassian Jira. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along in your own Jira space. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to configure so that initiative appears as a proper work type in your project. Start by opening the Jira project where you want to use initiatives. From your Jira home or projects list, click into the relevant project. This takes you to the project's board or overview, which is where you usually see your issues, sprints, or backlog. Once you're inside the project, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the additional options for this project. From this drop-down, select Space Settings. Depending on your Jira setup, this might also appear as project settings, but the idea is the same. You want the configuration area for this particular space. Clicking that will open a new page with all the settings related to your project. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different configuration categories. Look for the option labeled Work Types. This is where Jira lets you define the kinds of work items that exist in your project beyond the standard tasks and stories. Click on Work Types to open that section. Inside the Work Types page, you'll see a list of existing types already available in your project. To add initiatives, you need to create a new work type. Look for a button that says Add Work Type and click it. This will open a form where you can define the details of the new type you're adding. Now, fill in the details for your initiative work type. Give it a clear, recognizable name such as Initiative, so your team knows exactly what it's for. You can usually add a description as well, which is a great place to explain how initiatives should be used, for example, to represent large, strategic pieces of work that group multiple epics or projects. If there are visual options like icons or colors, choose something distinct to make initiatives easy to spot on your boards and reports. Once you're happy with the name, description, and any other settings, scroll down and click Add. Jira will save your new work type and add it to the list. From now on, you'll be able to create issues using this initiative work type in your project, allowing you